Last day in Kaohsiung. Ito pa. Ito Okinawa. Wala pa silang mga stock. Magre-restock pa lang to. Oh, finally, yung gustong gusto ko. Hotel scrambled eggs. I'm not sure what this is. Turkey. Dumpling. It's yummy. Laki talaga silang may ganito. Anong section na ba to? Wala na mga pagkain. Tapos mayroon siya din flatbread, Taiwanese snack. Tapos tinapay. Yun. Ito lang mga wala nang pagkain. I think late kaming nakarating. Parang late na ako nakapasok. So, medyo ubos na yung pagkain. Hindi pala medyo ubos. Maraming wala na. Ba yan? Malas. Hindi tayo dito. Kasi nandito tayo sa C12. So, papunta ng airport. 11:10 hanggang C3. Pagdating ng C3, magta-transfer na tayo pababa. So, at least convenient. Roughly mga 40 minutes yung travel time going to the airport. Habang wala pa yung train. Wait lang tayo dito. Now will be the best time to update. Dito na ako sa subway. Kaiswan station. This is the transfer going to the airport station. Kaohsiung International Airport. Yung R4. Yan, saan tayo papunta? Similar to Korea, ang convenient din dito sa Taiwan because people can easily go to the airport just by riding the subway, which is very convenient. Sana ganun din mangyari sa Philippines anytime soon. Saan tayo lumabas nung dumating, dun din tayo pumasok pabalik. Because sabi ko nga sa inyo, the subway is connected to the station. Hindi naman ang luggage. Nainis. Also, I'll share information, probably a breakdown of how much I spent in my stay here in Kaohsiung and my side trip to Hainan. Mag-elevator daw. Sabi nung sign. Second floor yung departure hall. So, yan. May view deck siya. View deck? Paano? Pwede mo makita kung sino yung mga umaalis. Pero syempre hindi ko makikita. Hirap mag-focus. Ayan. Ayan ba yan? Ayun. So pwede mo makita kung sino yung mga paalis. Yung mga plane na palipad. Pag angat ng elevator, ito yung makikita mo. Then since paalis ka na, punta ka ng international departure. So dito yun. Yan. So since pumunta ako dito, 15 kilograms yung check-in. Ganun din yung pauwi. Pero for sure, hindi naman ito abot ng 15 kilograms. Siguro mga more or less 10 lang siya. Kasi maliit lang yung bag na dala ko. Actually, ganun yung bago kong trying to achieve this year. Yung minimalist na bag. Kung mga magta-travel ka, sobrang minimal yung mga bibit-bitin. Kasi before, I overpack. Tapos ang hassle. When you arrive to the venue, parang ang dami mong bit-bit. Ang bigat. Tapos hindi ka rin makagalaw ng maayos. So at least, moving forward, ang goal ko na is less bit-bitin. Pero enjoy pa rin yung trip. So nandito na tayo. Ito na yung area. Pupunta. Nakahiwalay na siya per yung mga aeroplano. Thank you so much, Taiwan. Click ako pero baka sa ibang location naman para ma-enjoy ko yung buong Taiwan area. Yung flight ko 1:45 pa pero nandito na ako 12. Hindi ko alam kung pwede na ako mag-check-in. Check natin. Tara. So, T-Way bound for Gimpo. Check-in. A12 to A15. So, dun yung A. Kasi dito. And mahaba na yung pila. Sige, kailangan nating pumila. Stress. I'm done with everything. With the check-in and yung pag-aasikaso ng lahat ng documents. So, I'm boarding. I'm waiting for the boarding time, which is on anong oras ba? 1:15. Gate 26 ako. I think ito na yung T-way. Nakikita ko na siya. Anyhow, I'll be sharing a breakdown habang may time pa ako mag-share. Since ang lapag ko na nito, alas 5 p.m. sa Korea. So technically, the hours, parang 4 hours lang yung biyahe. 3 hours yung biyahe, pero madadagdagan because of the time difference. Advance ng 1 hour si Korea. Compared kay ano ba? Kay Taiwan. Maliit lang tong Kaohsiung Airport ha. Huwag kayong mas magulat. Maliit lang talaga siya. Feeling ko yan yung train, yung sasakyan kong plane. But I still have a lot of time. Probably 30 minutes para mag-ikot-ikot. Tapos dito sa duty free, puro tabako and liquor yung dito. So wala akong makakain. Parang walang pagkain. Ganda. Nice, right? No, bro, luxury items. Tapos ayan, watch, jewelry. Tapos may Gucci pa. So, dito pala yung yan. Kimpo 1:45 expected time of departure. Yung kainan. Ito lang yung mga pagkain. Ano to? Vegetarian, sesame oil, stewed beef. Oh, pork belly, parang masarap. Kari-kari yan eh. Wala tayo sa braised noodle. Kain muna tayo bago umalis. Wow. Marumi naman ang weather. May miss ko ang type. I miss this place. For sure, babalik ako pero baka hindi sa Kaohsiung. Marami rin naman kasing places to visit in Taiwan. And the good thing is, when visiting Taiwan kasi visa free siya for Filipinos until 2025. So, kailangan ng galingan para kumita ng pera at makapag-travel. So, anyway, magkano nga ba yung nagastos ko papunta dito ako sa Taiwan? Kailangan ko mag-video bago ko umalis. So, quick breakdown to how much I spent here in Kaohsiung. So, for the airfare ticket, medyo nakamura ako. 10,000 siya round trip. Seoul to Taiwan na siya. Seoul to Kaohsiung. Usually, ang presyo niya mga nasa 16 to 20,000. Because of Skyscanner, nakakuha ko ng discounted fare. Yung time din na gusto ko. It fits well with the holidays in Korea. So, nakatipid ako that time. And then, sa hotel naman, one thing I like with Taiwan is they gave 9,000 pesos worth of voucher for those who applied for it through Klook. Nakakuha ko ng voucher. So, yung hotel ko na initially 13,000, nakuha ko lang siya into 4,000 for 5 full day, 4 nights na yon. I chose yung hotel na tinirahan ko, sobrang convenient and sobrang lapit niya sa station. So, wala akong problema with the transportation. So, 10,000 airfare, 4,000 sa hotel, and then the rest are for food and other expenses. So, yung food ko na lang muna, it's 8,000 pesos in Kaohsiung and Tainan. And if you see in my videos, as in, na-try ko lahat, karamihan ng mga night market dito sa Kaohsiung. Sobrang convenient na. Considering na parang yung mga pagkain nila is $200, $150, $100 lang. Sobrang sulit. And then the milk tea, $50, $40. Sobrang sulit and masarap. So at least na-enjoy ko yung food here in Kaohsiung and Tainan. Tapos yung other remaining na parang expense ko is the other expenses, yung transpo card, pasalubong. It's a tradition in Korea. If you file a leave for vacation, somehow you have to prepare something para dun sa office mates mo and sa boss mo who granted or allowed your leave. So for my case, nagbili lang ako dito ng mga parang mini pasalubong just to, you know, make them feel that I did abide by the culture. Anyway, so ang total ko na gastos, considering 10,000 transportation airfare, airplane, 4,000 hotel, 40,000 na yun, 8,000 for food, so I'm roughly at 22,000 plus 2,000 yung pasalubong. Overall, nakagastos ako ng 24,000 pesos. And actually, may tira pa ako ditong 3,500 Taiwanese dollars. So I don't know what to do with that. So it's a sign para bumalik ako ng Taiwan and actually book again going here. Probably trying out different places in Taiwan. Probably Taipei. Kasi hindi pa ako nakapag-Taipei. Nauna yung Kaohsiung. So if you're interested to know more or you go to travel also to Taiwan, ito na yung sign. And I hope with the estimates and the budget I gave and the expenses I shared, you have knowledge how much you have to prepare for it. Ganun lang din naman nagiging gastos. 24,000 pesos, 25,000 pesos is not bad. Technically, I spent like 5,000 to 4,000 a day, which is not bad. Kasi travel naman, so na-enjoy ko. And then, it included naman yung mga trips and usually yung mga ginawa kong activities free. Parang yung ginastos ko lang dito is yung sa Tainan mismo. Doon lang ako medyo umastos for mga activities. Pero the rest free. Yung Pier 2 libre. Yung Sunny Hill Cafe, libre din yung tea nila and then the cake. Tapos, everything is almost free. Yung mga night markets, libre. Sadyang naparami ako ng gastos dun sa food. Kasi na may food ko. Almost same siya nung sa transpo. It signifies how much I ate here and of course I gained some weight. So parang kailangan ulit natin magpapayat. We're going back to Korea, so going back to the Korean food. But other than that, I really enjoyed this trip. I hope I can make more videos like this in the future. And I like doing this, parang sharing information na rin. I hope you also enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, just comment in the comment section. Put them in the comment section. I'll gladly answer them. This is a travel vlog, so if you have other questions related to other topics, put them on the right video. Okay? Bye-bye. Update lang, hindi ko pa ako masaraduhan because of that freaking water. We're boarding. Ano ba yan? I don't like this feel as well. Anyway, finally, I'm going back to Seoul. Bye bye, see you there.